Hey guys, so today in MSI AfterBurner, I'm gonna show you how to display the CPU users, GPU, and frame rate in your video game. AfterBurner is a free software from MSI. Search for MSI AfterBurner in Google and go to its page. Click on the Download AfterBurner button. It will download as a zip file. After we extract from the zip file, there's gonna be a MSI AfterBurner setup.exe. Run the installation. At choose component mixer, you select River Turner Statistics Server. It's a desktop icon for MSI AfterBurner and River Turner Statistics Server. Run MSI AfterBurner. Click on the gear icon for settings. In MSI AfterBurner, in the tab General, you want the program to start when window run, then you can just check this box, tap a window and click Apply. Go to the tab called Monitoring, and from here you can select the item that you want to display. So in this case, I'm just gonna select a CPU temperature. Okay, so I'm gonna select that, click like this, and you can say check here, show in on screen display. I'm gonna do the same thing for GPU users, and I'm gonna click on this, like this here, show on screen display. You can see here in OSD. Now I'm gonna go down and let's see. I want to show also the CPU, which is over here, and I'm just gonna select this and to show the CPU. Go down here, and I want to also show the frame rate, so I click on this, check it, and select show in on-screen display, and click Apply. In the tab on-screen display, I can select the key to toggle the on the display here to show or not to show. Example, I click on this, I can press example F12. You can also set other key here to separate key to show on-screen display and high on-screen display. But now I'm just gonna select the toggle. On the tab benchmark, you can also set the key for begin recording and end recording. Example, I could press I don't know, like F5 here, begin recording, and then here I can say F6 and then end recording. Click Apply. For River Turner Statistics Server, if you want to start up when Windows starting, then you can click on here. Also, if you want to display all the information on the video game, such as frame rate so on, then you set this on. And then after that, also here you can also change what's displayed over here. You can move it around to see display low or in the corner here, and you can also use arrow key to move it like this down, position it, or just use like this. And let's see, I can also believe that you can make also the size by bigger, smaller. There's also other setting you can experiment with. As you can see in IL2, the frame rate, the GPU, the CPU is displayed. So I hope this video is helpful for you to show the frame rate and the GPU information in your video game. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and see you in next video. Bye!